Let me tell you about a small secret. The secret to become successful. The secret to make more money. The secret to have a better career. And the secret of the life you've always wanted. But somehow, success has eluded you. Somehow, you did not know how to go towards the path of success. Somehow, you did not know where you have gone wrong. Somehow, you have not known what success means to you. This course is going to teach you about what is holding you back from success and about the tools and practices to become a successful person. Hey, I'm Neeraj Singhvi, a transformation coach, an author, and owner of 2 thriving businesses, having worked in the corporate world for the past 25 years and having traveled far and wide. I know what success means. This course is going to teach you how to become a successful version of yourself and how to progress each and every single day. This course is a 32-step formula for bringing you towards the road to success. If you follow these 32 steps, well, then there's no one who can stop you from moving towards the road to success. By the end of the course, you'll have all the tools and practices you require to become a successful person. If you want to become a successful person, enroll now and move towards the road to success.